Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on my interview experience with Twitter. I got a lot of positive feedback from sharing my Amazon interview experience for the SDE1 position. So I will share my experience with Twitter for its entry-level engineer position. So this video is going to be geared toward new grads or just like entry-level engineers. I'm going to be talking about what my final round interview question was, the interview process, what to study, and also kind of how to get your resume noticed, as well as how to get in contact with some of these recruiters. So if you're interested, keep watching and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So just a little background about myself. I actually interned at Twitter back in 2018, my junior year of college, and it was a great experience, but I decided that I wanted to branch out. So what branching out is, it gives you the opportunity to interview with different teams in case you want to switch teams when they decide whether or not to give you your return offer. So I decided to branch out to another team, and in doing so, I had to interview. So my experience is going to be a little different than the standard interview process. Typically, I think it is a technical assessment, then a phone screen, and then probably one or two final round interviews, which is now all virtual because of the pandemic. So basically, how I prepped for this interview was strictly through LeetCode. If I were to go back in time during my junior year of college, I definitely would recommend doing a bunch of other things like mock interviews, or definitely going on HackerRank and solving some of their wordier problems. But I did use LeetCode. I did LeetCode medium questions was my main focus, and I made sure I can solve all the easy ones down, like for sure. And then for the medium questions, I made sure I could at least write pseudocode on what the answer should be, or have an idea or direction of what the answer should be, because honestly, some of the medium questions are kind of hard on LeetCode or HackerRank. But I made sure that I have all my basic data structures and algorithms down. Made sure I know how to implement classes in my language of choice. I use Python. I really enjoy Python for interviewing. It's very easy to read. Yeah, so that's what I did to prep. So the last point that I wanted to make in this video is how to get your resume noticed by recruiters. So that's a big problem with tech companies in general. You apply on the website and oftentimes your resume will get lost in the void. You'll never hear back, or you have an initial recruiter reach out to you, but you never hear anything back after you finish the technical assessment. So one hack that I have with Twitter specifically is to reach out to the recruiters on the Twitter platform. So there's this page called Twitter University on Twitter, if you just search it. So they'll post a lot of new grad events, a lot of apprenticeship events, podcasts, and recruiters will also post content on there. So I suggest reaching out to those recruiters. This can be a great networking opportunity and a better approach than LinkedIn. All right, guys, so that's all for this video. Just know that tech interviewing is hard, but you definitely can do it. Just keep practicing. That's my biggest advice. So if you're interested in hearing about my interview experiences with other companies, I also interviewed with Google, Bloomberg, Palantir, TripAdvisor. That's all I can remember off the top of my head, but I'm more than happy to make videos about them. And if you're interested, be sure to like and comment, just so I know I'm not making these videos for no reason. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you in my next video.